Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another new swinging video. Today we are running comp, well not comp because no one plays comp anymore, but infection lobbies with these people. I'm gonna make you guys blow up in 3, 2, 1. Alright, lobby number 1, guys.
In my brain.
Dad,
I was trying to reviving it in my brain.
that was the worst thought ever, and I just did somebody's head, bro.
Yeah, should I go on stop 5?
I'm about to go on swap 5 for real.
Somebody else said they're going on swap 5 too, bro.
Bro, Orange is pretending to be Zaza, I swear.
Oh shit.
This is not Zaza, bro.
Ah, who said I was Zaza?
You're mine.
How am I pretending to be? You're just weird.
Is that you, Tag?
Ain't no way we're really idolizing Zaza.
No, I'm not that. Yo, how do you even like it, bro? As a girl that loves it.
How do you like it?
Never knew I saw your face again. But I just turned my back away.
Wait,
I jump good. I'm so good at jumps now.
Make sure travel mode's not on.
Oh no!
It's on.
Oh damn, that's
no,
me
not
for.
on. It's not on.
You should be able to do it. If not, I saw it glitter as it.
Whoa.
Oh, that was the guy that was trash talking to me when I tagged him.
No, you're
Oh,
At
what's
this point, there's like no point of waiting, bro. I'm ready to walk in there because like
almost
somebody's gonna
got tagged.
get it because he literally just turned off his headset. What? So he can just connect.
I don't think you can get tagged.
Oh, my dad is being so weird.
Well, that's a good way to start the video.
And next thing you know, we all just get tagged. Who's that? Oh, Architect.
Wings.
My name is not Architect. It's Artifact.
Artifact.
Artifact. Are you from the Factory?
Why is it like the most like weirdest names that I do not recognize, and every lobby they go into, they just start getting glazed.
Bruh. What's up, guys? Day 1 of being on 400 threads. Because these dumb taggers.
Yeah.
Okay, no.
Worst ever. You know, if you play Iris Tag, you can actually get 300 creds.
The cyber run is so tough.
Oh, yes, he has. So Iris Tag is right now shut down.
I just juked him.
First of all, you fall out the world, and if you manage to get back in the world...
Yo, Wings. Look, I'm right here.
Because I actually turned on platforms.
Do you know what project I'm right here, bro?
Did you see that juke? You saw that juke I had on him?
Don't tag Zaza.
Why do you think I'm Zaza so much?
No, I'll get a fan game that's out right now.
Oh my god.
It's called Lost Stacks. It's made by my clan owner.
Wait. Could I try to be this mod?
Yo.
It's a lot of
These plates. Like mod apps in Discord?
You man.
Oh, the wires.
Is that rem?
Yo.
So it's
I really tried to get you.
Oh, no. That's what your clan made?
Yeah, his name is ST4R. And he has an Elliot profile.
Oh crap. Oh no. Bro, how did you tag me?
That we were in the party with.
Yo, they could have just a million years ago.
No. I need to continue the video, bro.
But my message is at 4.
Whoa. Yo, I took dick. Actually, I'm actually in Carter. What the
Yo, I just got hella pull. I don't know if you saw that.
Baby back wings. Yeah. Of course I missed a play.
Wait, Iris Tag is back
Of course
up.
I missed a play.
People think I would not.
Oh, so you just play alone?
Shut up, shit.
Who tagged the last guy? Oh, sir, who tagged the last guy? Oh my god, bro. Alright, oh my gosh. Please don't tag me. Okay. How the fuck did you tag me, bro?
It's called
You tagged me.
I thought I was tagged. I just said. Oh, where's this green guy?
Turn around.
Wanna be Moza, I swear.
momentum.
It's TTT momentum, bro. Oh my god.
Okay.
It's on. No, oh my god, it's pig.
Bro,
Who tagged me? There's no one behind me.
What the fuck?
Yeah, that's what I'm saying, Zaza. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
I'm hitting these flicks today. But I'm gonna tag Zaza. Or not Zaza, Rosa. I'm literally feeling my controller vibrate, I swear. What the fuck?
Yo, you don't want to tag me. I promise.
Hold on, after I tag this Mosa guy,
got momentum. Green.
I didn't tag him, but someone else did.
Get out of here.
just
Oh
face
my
me.
god, Green.
Face me,
Fuck
bro.
you, Green. Fuck you,
And this is
Green.
gonna be the end of the video. Bye.